Across time, the echoes of lost creatures whisper through fossils. Among these, the dire wolf's howl resonates powerfully. What if those echoes could be amplified, not just heard but brought back to life?
Before we get into the video, start your mornings with a perfect sip. This Cat Mom's ceramic mug is made for the proud feline-loving queen in your life. Stylish, sturdy, and full of cat-titude. Grab yours now and show off your kitty pride. Buy it at the link in the description.
Scientists at Colossal Biosciences aim to bring back the dire wolf. Their work could revolutionize conservation efforts, offering a lifeline to endangered species. Yet, ethical considerations abound, raising questions about animal welfare and ecological impacts. Imagine a wolf but larger, more robust, with a bone-crushing bite. This was the dire wolf, a formidable predator of the Pleistocene epoch. Its senses, honed by evolution, were finely tuned to its environment. The dire wolf's physical attributes were honed by evolution for hunting. Its powerful legs and massive jaws made it a formidable predator. Its senses were perfectly adapted to its predatory lifestyle. Dire wolves were social animals, living and hunting in packs. This pack structure provided a significant advantage in taking down large prey. The bonds within these packs were essential for survival. The dire wolf's story is told through fossils. Each bone and tooth offers a glimpse into its life. The La Brea tar pits have yielded hundreds of dire wolf remains. The La Brea tar pits are a time capsule of life thousands of years ago. The abundance of dire wolf remains suggests they were highly social animals. This tragic cycle of entrapment has provided invaluable scientific insights. Dire wolves were successful predators, adapting to various habitats. Their ability to colonize a wide range of environments speaks to their resilience. The dire wolf's reign spanned over 1 million years, a testament to its evolutionary success. Scientists analyze fossils to understand the dire wolf's life and extinction. These investigations offer valuable lessons for understanding ecosystems. The dire wolf's story is a reminder of the power of scientific inquiry. The dire wolf vanished around 11,000 years ago. Their extinction raises questions about the vulnerability of dominant species. It underscores the importance of proactive conservation efforts. One theory for the dire wolf's extinction is the dramatic climate change at the end of the last glacial period. As temperatures rose, North America's landscape transformed. Forests replaced grasslands, affecting large mammals like mammoths and mastodons. These changes impacted the dire wolf's food supply. Competition with newly arrived grey wolves also played a role. Humans arriving in North America added further pressure. Disease outbreaks may have also contributed to their demise. The combination of these factors likely led to the dire wolf's extinction. The end of the last glacial period brought about profound changes to the Earth's climate and ecosystems. As temperatures rose, ice sheets melted, causing sea levels to rise and drastically altering landscapes and weather patterns. These changes had a cascading effect on plant and animal life, leading to widespread extinctions, particularly among large mammals. The dire wolf, heavily reliant on these mega-herbivores for sustenance, was particularly vulnerable to these ecological shifts. The disappearance of mammoths, mastodons, and giant sloths, their grazing habits instrumental in shaping the landscape, created a ripple effect throughout the food chain. With their primary prey dwindling, dire wolves would have faced intense competition for resources, both from within their own species and from other predators vying for survival in a rapidly changing world. The once abundant prey that sustained dire wolf packs became scarce, forcing them into smaller territories and increasing competition. The dire wolf's specialization in hunting large prey, a successful strategy for millennia, may have ultimately contributed to its downfall. As their preferred prey vanished, they were ill-equipped to switch to smaller, more agile prey, putting them at a disadvantage compared to more adaptable predators like the grey wolf. The dire wolf's story underscores the delicate balance of nature and the vulnerability of specialized species to rapid environmental change. It serves as a cautionary tale, reminding us of the interconnectedness of ecosystems and the far-reaching consequences of disrupting these delicate balances. Despite the various theories proposed, the exact cause of the dire wolf's extinction remains an enigma. The fossil record, while offering valuable clues, provides an incomplete picture of the past, leaving scientists to piece together fragments of evidence and formulate hypotheses based on their interpretations. The extinction of the dire wolf, like many ancient mysteries, continues to intrigue and challenge our understanding of the natural world. The dire wolf's story, though ending in extinction, is far from over. Ongoing research into their genetics, morphology, and ecological relationships continues to shed light on their lives and the factors that may have contributed to their demise. Advances in ancient DNA analysis offer the potential to unlock even more secrets hidden within fossilized bones, potentially revealing new insights into their population dynamics, disease susceptibility, and evolutionary relationships with other canid species. The dire wolf's legacy extends beyond its extinction. Its story serves as a reminder of the power of scientific inquiry to unravel the mysteries of the past and the importance of understanding the delicate web of life that sustains us all. As we grapple with the challenges of a changing planet and the ongoing biodiversity crisis, the dire wolf's fate stands as a stark reminder of the need to protect our planet's precious biodiversity and the delicate balance of nature that sustains us all. The search for answers continues, a testament to the enduring power of curiosity and our desire to understand the world around us. The very notion of bringing back an extinct species, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now within the grasp of scientific possibility. At the forefront of this groundbreaking endeavor is Colossal Biosciences, a company pushing the boundaries of biotechnology and genetics. Their ambitious goal to resurrect the dire wolf, not as a museum curiosity, but as a living, breathing testament to the power of cutting-edge science. Their work is a testament to human ingenuity, a bold attempt to rewrite the script of extinction and restore a long-lost thread to the tapestry of life. The task at hand is nothing short of monumental, requiring a deep understanding of genetics, paleontology, and advanced reproductive technologies. It begins with the painstaking extraction and analysis of ancient DNA, the fragmented blueprints of life locked away in fossilized bones. These genetic fragments, like pieces of a shattered mirror, must be painstakingly pieced together, their sequence compared and contrasted with that of living relatives, such as the grey wolf, to identify the key genes that made the dire wolf unique. This is where the true artistry of de-extinction comes into play. Using CRISPR technology, a revolutionary gene editing tool, scientists can precisely target and modify specific genes within the genome of a closely related species, in this case the grey wolf. By carefully selecting and editing these genes, they aim to rewrite the genetic code, essentially guiding the evolution of a living species towards the traits and characteristics that defined the dire wolf. The dire wolf's genetic code, though fragmented and incomplete, holds the key to its resurrection. Scientists at Colossal Biosciences are meticulously analyzing these ancient DNA fragments, comparing them to the genomes of living canids, such as the grey wolf, to identify the genetic variations that gave rise to the dire wolf's unique traits. These variations, encoded within the DNA sequence, hold the instructions for everything from the dire wolf's massive size and powerful bite to its social behavior and adaptations to its Pleistocene environment. Using sophisticated computer algorithms and comparative genomics, scientists are assembling a comprehensive picture of the dire wolf's genome, identifying the specific genes responsible for its distinctive morphology, physiology, and behavior. This genetic blueprint, a testament to the power of evolution, serves as a roadmap for the de-extinction process, guiding scientists in their efforts to recreate the key traits that define this iconic predator. The task is not without its challenges. Ancient DNA is often degraded and fragmented, making it difficult to piece together a complete genome. Furthermore, not all traits are determined by a single gene. Many are the result of complex interactions between multiple genes and the environment, adding another layer of complexity to the de-extinction process. However, advances in sequencing technologies and bioinformatics are constantly improving our ability to read and interpret the language of life, bringing us closer to understanding the genetic basis of the dire wolf's unique characteristics. The resurrection of the dire wolf is not merely about bringing back a single species. It represents a paradigm shift in conservation biology, a bold step towards a future where extinction may no longer be forever. The technologies being developed and refined by Colossal Biosciences have far-reaching implications, extending beyond the realm of de-extinction to encompass genetic rescue efforts for endangered species and the restoration of degraded ecosystems. Imagine a future where CRISPR technology is used to enhance genetic diversity in critically endangered populations, providing them with a much-needed boost in their fight against extinction. Imagine using these tools to introduce disease-resistance genes into vulnerable species, protecting them from devastating outbreaks that could wipe out entire populations. The possibilities are as vast as the imagination, offering a glimmer of hope in a world facing unprecedented biodiversity loss. However, this new frontier of science is not without its ethical considerations. The release of a resurrected species into the wild raises complex questions about ecological impacts, animal welfare, and the very definition of what it means to play God. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, it is crucial that we proceed with caution, guided by both scientific rigor and a deep respect for the delicate balance of nature. Resurrecting extinct species raises profound ethical questions. The release of a species like the dire wolf could disrupt ecosystems. How would it affect predator-prey relationships? Could it outcompete existing species for resources? These are real concerns that must be addressed. There are also ethical considerations for the welfare of resurrected animals. Can they thrive in a changed world? Will they adapt and raise offspring? De-extinction raises ethical questions about manipulating nature. Some argue it distracts from protecting endangered species. Resources could be better spent on traditional conservation. A balanced approach is needed, recognizing both traditional conservation and new technologies. We must engage in a thoughtful dialogue about the ethical implications of de-extinction. This dialogue must involve scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. The decisions we make today will shape the future of our planet's biodiversity. The potential return of the dire wolf, a creature long relegated to fossils and legends, sparks our imagination. Imagine a world where the howl of the dire wolf once again reverberates through the forests, a testament to human ingenuity. Technologies pioneered by Colossal Biosciences hold the potential to revolutionize conservation efforts. Imagine a future where genetic diversity is not just preserved but enhanced, where lost ecosystems are painstakingly pieced back together and the intricate web of life is carefully rewoven. To resurrect a species is to acknowledge our role in past extinctions and to embrace our responsibility for safeguarding the future of life on Earth. A story that we have the power to influence, for better or for worse. As we stand on the precipice of this brave new world, a world where extinction may no longer be absolute, we must proceed with caution and responsibility. The resurrection of extinct species demands rigorous scientific scrutiny and ethical consideration. The decisions we make today will shape life on Earth for generations. We must avoid viewing de-extinction as a quick fix for the biodiversity crisis. The root causes of extinction, habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and overexploitation demand immediate action. Protecting existing species and their habitats is vital. The return of the dire wolf would symbolize hope and human ingenuity. We are the guardians of a new dawn where science and ethics guide us. Let the story of the direwolf inspire us to preserve the tapestry of life on Earth.